So here are 3 underrated hair growth tips that actually saved my hair this month. Honestly, this month I must say was really rough for me. However, these 3 things that I'm about to share with you in this video really made a huge difference on my hair. So guys, if you're ready as I am, let's quickly get right into the video. So I can tell you that this month I was really consistent with keeping my hair moisturized, and consistency for me does not mean like moisturizing my hair every single day, right? I used the LCO method, and honestly the contents of my liquid was what actually changed the whole game for me. I used ingredients such as moringa, hibiscus, cucumber, rosemary, and a whole bunch of them. And then I followed up with applying my leave-in conditioner and then sealing my hair up with my grease. So instead of the oil in the LCO method, I used grease to seal my hair, and I believe it helped made my hair to stay moisturized for longer. Now, tip number 2 is using DIY treatment that actually works. So I know that DIY is not every natural girl's cup of tea. However, using DIY really helped my hair a whole lot this month. It helped by keeping it soft and strengthened so that I don't lose so much hair. And it reminded me that I don't always need store-bought products, right? I mean, who needs a store-bought product when you can whip up something from your kitchen, right? Well, except for Mega Growth leave-in conditioner, which is like a staple for me. Now, the last tip is keeping my hair in a low manipulation style. So this month I wore style that didn't require daily combing and touching, and this helped me to minimize shedding plus lessen the stress on my hair. So what I actually did this month was putting my hair in a chunky twist, and then I will tie the chunky twist in a low bun. Why this hairstyle works perfect is because the twist, there was no tension on the roots, and then when I tie my hair in the bun, I also tuck my ends in. So not only is my scalp free, but my ends are also well protected, and you can just imagine that this will help not only to keep breakage and split ends at bay, but also to keep my hair moisturized for longer. And again, I didn't forget to wear my net, my bonnet at night when I am about to sleep. So the bonus tip is actually drinking water often and often. Like I have like a mini rubber that I put my water in. Like if I just walk about, I'll go and gulp the water, and if it's finished, I'll fill it up again. Yeah, staying hydrated, keeping my hair moisturized, help my hair to stay shiny, stay moisturized, even though I was not moisturizing every single day. And yeah, these 3 tips really saved my hair this month. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear from you. Which tips can you relate to, and what did you do differently to your hair this month? Share down below. Maybe I'll try it next month as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Favor. Until I come your way next time, please take care of yourself, and bye.